You need to record some audio for a project you're working on, and you want it to sound as professional as you possibly can, right? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it using free tools that you can download right now. It starts at audacityteam.org. Audacity is a free, open-source, cross-platform audio software. It's easy to use, multi-track audio editor and recorder for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and other operating systems as well. It might look complicated, but it really isn't if you know just a few tips and tricks. Start by plugging in your mic. You may be using some type of USB mic that plugs into your computer, maybe some headphones with an inline mic, or even your computer's internal microphone. While the internal mic isn't ideal, we can use this program to make even that sound better. I work in broadcasting, and so I'm running my AKG C4500 studio mic through a Mackie 1402 VLZ soundboard, which is connected to my computer through an Alpha Lexicon USB interface. Now, that's a lot of mumbo jumbo, but you don't need all that stuff to simply get better quality audio. From time to time, I use USB mics as well, even for broadcast applications. So step 1, record your audio. Once you have your mic plugged in, you'll see a red record button in the top left corner of the Audacity software. Do a quick mic check, then pause for 4 to 5 seconds before recording your audio. That's an important step, and I'll tell you why once we start editing the track. After you've recorded, go ahead and play back and make sure that it sounds like what you want it to. Now, let's make it sound even better. The first thing you'll want to do is use your selection tool and simply highlight those 4 or 5 seconds of silence. This gives you a baseline for what the background noise is in the room or environment that you're recording in. With that space highlighted, click on Effect and then Noise Reduction. You'll see a button that says Get Noise Profile. After it analyzes the background noise, go back to your track and highlight the whole thing. Go back to Effect, then Noise Reduction. Under Step 2, you see my settings in the box. They're pretty standard. Apply that effect by clicking OK. Now with the track still highlighted, you'll click Normalize. That simply sets the peak amplitude of a single track. It makes multiple tracks have the same peak amplitude, and it equalizes the balance of left and right channels of stereo tracks. We'll do this step several times throughout the process. Next, go to Effect again and click on Compressor. Again, you see my settings, just click OK and apply. Now we're going to add some EQ effects, so click on the tab underneath Effect that says Graphic EQ. I don't do anything fancy here, I just use the factory presets. Click on Manage in the bottom left, then Factory Presets, then you will see Bass Boost. Click that, then click OK. Repeat the same step, but this time under Factory Presets, click Treble Boost. After that step, normalize once again. We're almost done. Go down a little further underneath Effect and you will see Limiter. If it isn't already selected, choose Hard Limit. I always limit to -4 dB. Apply the effect by clicking OK. The last thing you'll do is go back to Effect and click Normalize one more time. Now you can use your selection tool to highlight any part of the audio that you don't want in the final file. I'm selecting the part where I performed a mic check and then the 4 or 5 seconds of silence. Clean up the end a bit if you need to. Now your file is ready to export. Simply go to File, then Export, and select the type of file you want to have. I'm using a WAV file here. Point it to where you would like to save, and you can even add some metadata if you need to. I never do. Click OK, and there you have it. Better sounding audio in a few quick, easy, and free steps. This is exactly what I do when I'm recording audio for TV, radio, or podcasts. That's how you do it. Be sure to like our video, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for even more great content coming soon.